Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now topic is string acceptance in NFA. In last video we have seen the formal definition of NFA. Now we'll see how the strings are accepted in NFAs, because we have multiple output states for given transition in case of NFA. So there could be number of ways to accept a given string, maybe more than one. Okay, so I'll take this NFA as an example and I'll consider this string as input string. Okay, we'll see what will happen in case of NFA if we supply 0101 string to this NFA. Okay, so what will happen here? There are many chances, or there are many paths that string should follow to go to the accept state. Okay, suppose consider 0101 string. Normally in case of DFA, how it will work? Okay, so suppose 0101. Okay, so Q0 applied with 0. Okay, Q, if we supply 0 input to Q0, then it will go to state Q1. Okay, then next input symbol is 1. Now we are at state Q1. If we give one input to state Q1, will reach to state Q2. Now next input symbol is 0, but there is no single transition for Q2 state, so it will stuck here and it will read only the string 01. Okay, so we are at state Q2, but this string will not be accepted by this NFA because we have the remaining string 01, but there is no transition for state Q2 to move forward. Okay, so by this path, that is Q0, Q1, Q2, this string will not going to be accepted by this NFA. Okay, now we have alternate way to read this string. Okay, like if we supply 0 input to state Q0, then it will remain in same state, that is Q0. Again next input symbol is 1, so Q0 1 we are again in same state, that is Q0. Now again next input symbol is 0. Okay, so Q0 then 0, we are in same state, that is Q0, and the next input symbol is what? 1. So Q0 1, it will remain in same state, that is Q0. Now our string is over, but we are at state Q0 and Q0 is not final state. That's why this string will not be accepted by this path like Q0 0, Q0 1, Q0 Q0 Q0. Okay, ठीक है. So ह्या वेळी पण ही स्ट्रिंग एक्सेप्ट होणार नाही. Now we have again alternate way to read this string, that is if we supply 0 string to Q0, then it will remain in same state. For 1, it will again read 1. Okay, now next for 0, it will read 0 and it will move to state Q1. Okay, and next input symbol is 1. So by following this transition will reach to state Q2, and now my input string is over and we are at state Q2, and Q2 is my final state. That's why this string will be accepted by this finite automata. Means by following this path, that is Q0 0, Q0 1, then Q0 0, Q1 1 will go to state Q2 and Q2 is accepted. Okay, so by following this path our string will get accepted by this NFA. Okay, so we have seen that for the single string acceptance we can have multiple paths, but from any of the path string should get accepted by the given NFA. Okay, so this is little bit complex than normal DFA. Okay, I think you have understood that how the strings are processed in case of NFA. Okay, and how we have seen that how if we have single path in case of DFA, then that reduce the complexity of string acceptance in case of DFAs, and that is quite complex in case of NFAs. So you have understood this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.